And I'm Miss Rocky. Thank you so much for joining our pad night tonight. We're going to start with math, so please pull out your child's iReady progress data sheet. It's going to look like this. The first bar graph shows where your child was at the beginning of the year. The middle bar represents where your child was at the middle of the year in about December, and the final bar indicates their end of the year iReady score. The bottom sentence, my goal for May is blank. That blank will tell you your child's end of the year stretch iReady goal. This was determined by iReady and set after the first diagnostic in the beginning of the school year. Go ahead and see if this bar graph matches the number down here in the sentence. If it does, your child met or exceeded their end of the year stretch goal. If not, your child did not meet their goal. Please continue to work with them throughout the summer if possible. Some things you can do to continue practicing would be counting money when you're in the store, telling time when you have to go somewhere using digital and analog clocks, building arrays, practicing addition and subtraction, and creating bar graphs.
So for this math game, you will need a green checkerboard sheet and 12 yellow and pink circles. They look like this. Place the green checkerboard in the clear page protector. You will need a dry erase marker to write math problems on the gray squares like we have done on our sheet. These can be addition, subtraction, or it can be both. This is what it should look like. Now each player will choose a color. I'll be yellow, and Miss Rocky, you can be pink. They will add 12 paper circles onto the gray squares of the checkerboard. You should be filling in the first rows. So Miss Rocky, since I'm yellow, I will fill in the first 3 rows.
Well, I better move mine down so I can fill up the bottom 3 rows.
Yes. And the board will look like this when you are ready to begin. Now you're ready to play. Remember, the circles can only move from one gray square to another gray square. You and your child will take turns moving the pieces to get to the opposite side of the board. The best part of this game is the practice students will get in math because they must solve the different equations before moving to the new space. If you jump another player's circle, set it to the side of the board, and that piece will not be playing anymore. If your piece makes it across the board to home base, so if my yellow makes it down here to Miss Rocky's pink, it can now move forward or backwards, which gives you a real advantage. Now watch us play the game. All right, Miss Rocky, you can go first.
Ooh, okay, let's see. I'm going to solve this first problem. This problem says 1 minus 1, and I know 1 minus 1 equals 0.
Good
So I'm
job.
going to move my square, my pink, up to this square, and it stays right there.
Good job, Miss Rocky. And I am going to take my yellow circle, and I'm going to move it down here. It says 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2.
Ooh, great job.
Correct?
That's
okay,
right.
So now I can move my circle down here. All right, your turn.
Okay, let's see. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 3, and I move up one more square, and I'm almost to Miss Dixon's yellows.
And I'm going to move down 9 minus 2, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 7.
Great job.
So I'm going to move down. Very good.
Now you try. If you want to challenge yourself, you could change the numbers on this board. So instead of doing 11 minus 3, I could do 21 minus 17.
Or I could even do 356 minus 124.
Oh my goodness, can you do that?
Have fun playing.